Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert post-it notes to your blank PDF file on the PDF Expert application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should select the PDF file to which you want to insert this post-it note, or you can also create a new PDF file by tapping on the My Files button and then on the plus icon and then click on blank PDF, but you can also choose from the already existing ones. After that you should slide to the right side on this slide that you can find at the top, and then click on this yellow button and tap where you want to insert this post-it note. Here you can select the color of it in the left side corner of the screen. As you can see, you have a bunch of options, and after that, as you tap on it, you are going to be able to type in your notes, and after that you should be able to see it as you tap on it. And if you click on this, hold your finger on it, you are going to be able to place it within the blank screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.